what's up? Who wants to eat on a floating boat? Can't forget that. Everybody does, right? And you get to blast karaoke music in the middle of the day. You dance. A lot of people thought of it, and I wish I thought of it sooner, but it sounds like a brilliant idea, right? Okay, so there's two. And this is the city from where we're starting from. Right there, Vientiane. And so we're going to take the hour-and-a-half drive up to here. And this place is called Namgan. Namgan. I don't know. If you were to tell a taxi driver to take you there, don't use my pronunciation. Just show them a picture of the map. Then they'll know how to take you there. It's an hour and a half away. The other place that I also like, this one is Tangon. Easier to say. Tangon. And that is 30 minutes away. It's super authentic, but with my long legs, it's a little bit uncomfortable after about half an hour. But it's super nice because it's a smaller river. It's not a big dam. So as you're floating along, you can see all the locals. They're fishing, they're washing their clothes, they're taking a bath. Okay, that was kind of creepy, but anyways, let's go check it out. And then now we're on the biggest boat. It's about an hour and a half away. This is the dam. And again, I was just having way too much fun. I didn't record as much as I probably should have. But this is a giant boat that we booked. I don't know how much it costs, but I would assume it's about $10 a person. So you have 10 people, it's about $100. Maybe a little bit more, depending on what you're drinking. And this is the top floor. It is really sunny, and it was very hot. So we didn't end up staying up here very long. But you can see the dam is very beautiful, very nice blue water, and very calm. No breeze, as you can see from that flag. But a really cool place, especially on the weekends. It gets really crowded on the water, so try to go on the weekdays. And then here's some of the fun that ensued on the boat. So fish, lots of fish, a lot of seafood, and a couple shots as we were cruising around. So you get a 1 hour cruise or a 2 hour cruise. It's really up to you. I would recommend for the 2 hour. You can have a lot of fun with karaoke and play some songs and just joke around. But again, beautiful place. And this is my great aunt. This is called kapun. It is a very, very nice broth, usually pork. And it's almost like pho. It's stewed for a long time. And then it's over rice noodle. Now we're on another boat. This is the smaller raft. It's a little bit closer. It's about half hour from Vientiane. And it's a very, very beautiful place. So you have the option of eating inside the restaurant or getting on a raft. And here's my uncle visiting from Thailand, and that's what the raft looks like. And also has a huge stereo. Yes, jumping shrimp. Absolutely amazing. I mean, I had a couple pieces. And I ended up getting a stomachache afterwards, so you gotta be careful. Ready to pull one of these live shrimp in my mouth? Woo! Delicious. It is very tasty though, so I recommend it, even for the stomach aches. Just have one piece. Okay, อันนี้มันยังเป็ด Okay, อันนี้มันทะเล อันนี้มันยังงัว And then there's some home cooked meal that my cousin made, which was very nice. His belly is so big. Whoa, 3 months pregnant. My dad was just on a tire food fest. I highly recommend going on these boat rides, especially if you have enough people. I would probably rent a car to get you out there and get you back into the city. So again, it's about half hour there, half hour back. Don't expect the taxis to be there to drive you back. So you need to get a round trip with any sort of transportation. Again, next time I go there, I'll make some even better videos, but I'm glad that you hopefully enjoyed a little bit of Lao cuisine in Vientiane. See ya in the next video and subscribe.